Right, this is after I watched a video on YouTube of a young lad doing the same thing. This is an MDF disc cut out of just an MDF board. At this particular video, it's not having the buffing compound that it needs. It's a green, like waxy compound you use on polishing metals, usually on stitched wheels, which when I actually did the polishing, this is just a test run really, when I did the polishing I did apply it, and the result is on the video you're going to see just after this, with a sharpened knife. What it does is just makes a really fine polished edge, but you have to have a rather sharp knife to start with. Hello, this is my sample of the knife sharpening. I don't know how well this shows there. It's a really shiny polished edge, and that's what it does. To be able to make this knife this sharp, your edge needs to be about 20 degrees. It needs to be really pointy, and then after it's prepared like that and it's quite sharp, then using this MDF disc dressed with the buffing compound will make your knife this sharp. And it also saves. The other hand is not saved, apparently. There you go then.